On your For You page timeline, click on the drop down arrow. This is going to bring option for you to select filtered category section. Now select the categories of kind of posts that you want to see on your timeline. Once you're done, you click on done. Now when you are done, this is going to start displaying every post that you selected, and anytime you can always click on the drop down arrow to select or deselect even more. So this, guys, is actually how you filter out some category on your X, and this is how the algorithm is going to display you content that you've selected on this category. Now this is not yet available for everyone, but is already available for majority of United States citizen and also Canada citizen. Now this is going to be rolling out gradually to other country, and also if you are making use of X beta, or rather in their beta team for testing team, this is already available for you. So thank you for watching. If you do not have it available after downloading or updating the application, just know you are not in the region or in the beta category. See you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.